Hello and welcome to the Radicals. I am Matilda. Let's talk about the character sketch of Miss TrunchBull from a famous novel Matilda illustrated by Quentin Blake. Hi, I am Matilda. Before moving on to Miss TrunchBull character sketch, we first talk about her character's attributes. She is the headmistress of Cruncham Hall High School. She is harsh, angry, dreadful, and formidable. Oh, so let's take a tour. I'm Matilda, and I'm afraid we'll have to meet her. But before we do that, let me tell you she doesn't like small children. That's why everyone avoids her. I think I hear someone is coming. Oh, no, Miss TrunchBull. She's coming. What are you doing here, you little girl? I was about to read about Miss TrunchBull. That's why I'm here. And what about your class? Are you so special? You could do it without it? I'm so sorry, Miss TrunchBull. This will never appear again. Well, I better not to see you outside of class. Don't have a very nice day. Thank God she's going to her study room. So guys, as you saw, she's a formidable woman, but she's pretty harsh too. She's the headmistress of Cruncham High School. You guessed it, my school. She once used to be an athlete, and her muscles are still clearly visible. We'll have to go by. So, my class is started, and I am going. But you make sure to subscribe to the Radicals Online Tutor. Goodbye. So students, this is the character sketch of Miss TrunchBull's character. You can pause the video and you can read the full character. Thank you for watching my video. For more details, subscribe to my channel. Contact me at email info.theradicals@gmail.com, or you can contact me on the Radicals Online Tutor Facebook page. Bye-bye.